7:15. How we doing this morning? Woo! Awesome. I'm loving the enthusiasm already. The other day I had it's kind of an old place. It starts out back in the early 1600s thanks to a group of people called the Puritans. The Puritans were a group of people who were very, very strict in the ways of living life. They believed that singing and dancing was devil worship. So with that strict attitude on life, many of their neighbors all around them in England disagreed. And it caused a lot of tension between the groups of people in England. The Puritans, they decide to leave, to find their own new place to live, to build the second holiest city in all the world. They ship on boats, traveling together. The hole on your right, people coming by. I think I was an angry guy. I'm my friends. We're gonna make our way through that away. So follow me. This is your party one, you'll be my buddy today.
All right. Yeah.
She's running out, though. She's there.
Maybe I should be on. Can you get the phone?
Yeah. I have to start Venmo.
There's another.
All right, I'm here in Salem, Massachusetts, going on a tour for the history of hauntings, is what it's called. It's really nice so far. It's a little hot too today.